Hi Year 10, this video is about writing expressions. And it's our last video, so I'll see you in class on Monday. This is in the very beginning of the booklet and it's quite straightforward, so you should find this a relief after all the expanding we've done. So we're going to write this in words. So we've got x minus 5. That's all it is. Or you could say x subtract 5 or 5 less than x. There's lots of different answers for these questions. A plus b divided by 3, or a plus b all divided by 3, or the sum of a plus b divided by 3. What we need to make sure we do is include the a plus b together. 3 times x squared plus 7, or 3 times x squared add 7. Lots of different ways. Okay, I'll leave that box there for you to do, and I'll go to the bottom and do these ones. So algebraic expression for the sum of p and the square of q. So go one step at a time. The sum of p, so we're going to add, and the square of q. So we've got p plus q squared. Now the square of the sum of p and q. That's p plus q all squared. And lastly, the square root of all of 2 times a minus b. So 2a minus b. When you're doing these questions, read them several times to yourself, over, until you understand what the words are saying. So this page is for you to do just as practice, and the solutions are on the next page, and that's it. That's all we need to do on this particular topic. If you're having trouble, let me know and I'll get you some more practice. For the rest of the lesson, I want you to keep working in the booklet and catch up anything that you haven't done. By Monday, the booklet needs to be completely finished and we're going to start revising. Okay, see you then.